Welcome to BitBank Arihant Fast Track Objective Arithmetic by Rajesh Verma. Number System Part 4. In the Part 3 Number System, I explained about the operations on numbers. Now, in this video, we know about the divisibility test. Okay, the first one, divisibility by 2. When the last digit of a number is either 0 or even, then the number is divisible by 2. For example, 12, the last digit is 2, even number. 86, 6 is the even number. 472, 2 is the even number. 520, 0. 1000, the last digit is 0. So, when the last digit of a number is either 0 or even number, then that number will be divisible by 2. Now, divisibility by 3. What is the rule here? When the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, given number is 1233. There are 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 3. So, sum of the digits is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. So, 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, remainder is 0. So, 9 is divisible by 3. So, 1233 must be divisible by 3. Coming to second example, 156, 156. There are 3 digits in this number. How can you say this 156 is divisible by 3 or not? Just simple. Sum of the digits 1 plus 5 plus 6, that is 12. 4 3s are 12. So, 12 is divisible by 3. So, automatically given number 156 must be divisible by 3. Okay. Divisibility by 4. When the number made by the last 2 digits of a given number is divisible by 4, then the given particular number is divisible by 4. Apart from this, the number having 2 or more zeros at the end is also divisible by 4. For example, 6428. Is it divisible by 4? So, see the last 2 digits in the given number, 28. So, 28, 7 4s are 28. So, 28 is divisible by 4. Then automatically the given number 6428 is divisible by 4. Coming to second example, see this number. So, the numbers 4300, 1,53,000, 95,30,000, etc. All these 3 numbers are divisible by 4. What is the rule? Apart from this, the number having 2 or more zeros at the end. See here, 2 zeros or more, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. So, a number is having which is having 2 or more zeros at the end is also divisible by 4. Okay. So, the given numbers are divisible by 4 as they have 2 or more zeros at the end. Now, divisibility by 5. The numbers which are having 0 or 5 at the end are divisible by 5. For example, you see here 45, 5 is the last digit. 4350, 0 is the unit digit. 135, here 5 is the last digit. And 14,850, so at the end the number is 0. So, all these numbers are having 0 or 5 at the end. So, the given numbers are divisible by 5 as they have 0 or 5 at the end. Okay. Now, divisibility by 6. When a number is divisible by both 3 and 2, then the particular number, then the given number is also divisible by 6. And see these examples, 18, 1 8. So, 6 3s are 18, 2 9s are 18. So, 18 is divisible by both 3 and 2. 36, this number also divisible by 3 and 2. 720 also divisible by 3 and 2. 1440 is also divisible by 3 and 2 both. So any number which is divisible by both 3 and 2, automatically the given number is also divisible by 6. So all the given numbers are divisible by 6 as they are divisible by both 3 and 2. Okay. Divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 when the difference between twice the digit at one's place and the number formed by other digits. Twice the digit at one's place and the number formed by other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Then we can say the given number is divisible by 7. See here this example. For example, given number is 658. So how can you say 658 is divisible by 7? Just see the condition. Twice the digit at one's place. So at one's place the digit is 8. Twice the digits units place is 2 into 8. So the difference between twice the digit at one's place and the number formed by other digits. So 8 number formed by other digits 65. So 65 minus 2 into 8. That is 65 minus 16. That is 49. As 49 is divisible by 7, we can say the given number 658 is also divisible by 7. Okay. Now, divisibility by 8. When the number made by the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the given number is also divisible by 8. And one more condition for this. Apart from this, if the last 3 or more digits of the given number are zeros, then the given number is divisible by 8. Two conditions. If last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8 or last 3 or more digits of the given number are zeros, we can say the given number is divisible by 8. For example, 2256. What are the last 3 digits in the given number? 256. So 256 is divisible by 8. So automatically the given number 2256 is also divisible by 8. On coming to second example, 43,62,000. So what are the last 3 digits? Apart from this, if the last 3 or more digits of a number are zeros, here in the given number 43,62,000, the last 3 digits are zeros. So as 43,62,000 has 3 zeros at the end, therefore it will definitely divisible by 8. Now, divisibility by 9. When the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then we can say the given number is also divisible by 9. For example, 9,36,819. There are 6 digits in the given number. So, sum of the digits is equal to 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9, that is 36. Here, the 36 is divisible by 9. So, automatically, given number 9,36,819 is also divisible by 9. Coming to the second example, 4,356 is the given number. So how many digits are there? 4 digits. So the sum of digits is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. 2 9s are 18. So the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Then automatically the given number 4,356 is also divisible by 9. The next one, divisibility by 10. Sorry, this is printing mistake. You treat this as 10. Divisibility by 10. When a number ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. For example, see these numbers 20, 40, 150, 1,23,450, 4,78,970. All the given numbers, all these numbers are ending with 0. So all these numbers are divisible by 10 as these all end with 0. Okay.